Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to install mod packs for Minecraft Java Edition. So first you're going to want to go to your browser, and you can search for any mod pack or whatever. I'm going to use RLCraft for this tutorial. So you're going to want to find it on curseforge.com or CurseForge, and you want to click this install button right here. Now this will bring you to this page, and just close that and click download for Windows. Now it will download the installer and you need to save it somewhere. So once you've installed it, just click the installer and I'll just run it. Now it's going to open the installer eventually. There we go. Now I'm just going to go through the setup process. It's not that hard. Okay, as you can see, it's downloading. So as you can see, it's done installing. So I'm just going to click launch. And it's got to prepare for the first launch ever. Now as you can see, we are now in the CurseForge menu, and you can you're gonna want to choose your thing. Apparently there's Elder Scrolls Online mods, but you can go into Minecraft and you can search for mod packs, or you can go to the site and go to files, and then you can download whatever one you want. So now when you're in files, you can choose whatever file you want to download it for. Like, I'm going to do the newest one, 1.12.2. It's in beta, but I don't care. See, you can go to this and click that button. Now it's going to ask you to open this. I'm just going to click always allow. Now I'm going to open it. Now, it is now downloading RLCraft in the CurseForge menu, and it should be done in about 15 minutes. So you can just click the play button, and it opened the Minecraft launcher. Now it should be in installations, yep. So then you can just click play. So yeah, as you can see, I've loaded in. I'm currently drowning. Yep. Okay. Okay. Alright. Oh yeah. I know these places. I've been here before. That is a Cyclops. Those are bad. And what the heck is that? Ah!